Hi guys, this is my first long YouTube video, so yeah. I'm in the woods with my friend, Jacob.
Hello.
Yeah, that's Jacob. Alright, so we're just gonna be hiking and seeing what we can do right now. We got a stream over here.
Oh no, I remember this place.
If you wonder why there's sticks right there, it's a long story. Over here, it's really deep, so that's why I have two large spear sticks in there. See if I can pull one up. Ugh. It's just mud down there. Yeah, it's that deep, in case you were wondering. Hey, Jacob, hold the camera real quick. Point it towards me. So, I'm gonna spear the thing. Yeah, I couldn't throw it as deep, but I still.
Don't fall either.
Alright. So let's just start hiking. We're gonna be following up this trail. And we're just gonna see what we see if we could catch any snakes or something. Maybe see a deer. Hopefully find some trail cams. Alright. So right now, we have a little stream coming up, and this stream is really weird because it has what I like to call water moss. I don't know if any of you guys can tell me what it is in the comments, but I call it water moss. And no, it's not algae. Well, right now it's not doing its. Oh, here it is. Yeah, water moss. It's just water moss. Yeah. So that's the water moss. And yeah. Whoa. And we're gonna climb that rock. I wanna see if I can just run up there. Just straight run. Okay. Come on. There we go. Alright. Let's see. That's the view. It's not that good, but it is what it is. Right, Jacob?
Yeah.
It's alright. Now we're gonna climb up there. Alright, let's go. Alright. And now we're up here and here's the view. That's where we just were. Whew. Alright. Here's a tree that Jacob kicked down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was, for like years we were kicking down this one rotting tree. And then finally Jacob kicked it and it just fell over. But honestly, we probably could have saved that if like a bear was chasing us. Just run over there and kick it. And then just fall onto the bear. So here's a little campfire area. See, this is the man-made campfire. But up here is what I like to call the natural-ish campfire. I don't know. Got some wood in the middle and then just have all these rocks around that you could just sit on. This is usually like a break spot, and you could probably go camping up here. Set up like a tent right here and like right here. Or you could use like the natural or campfire. And then you could set up tents down there. So yeah, that's a fun thing. I don't know, I've never been camping. Have you ever been camping, Jacob?
No.
No?
What's the thing? I remember being camping Fairview.
Fairview?
Right?
Yeah. So basically, what me and Jacob mean by Fairview is, I don't know if you guys know what Fairview is. If you live in West Milford, then you do. But, so basically, for a school field trip, for an overnight field trip, we went to, this camp. It's overnight summer camp. And it just, we just stayed there, and I don't know, you guys, what were the cabins like?
Well, from what I remember, at least our cabins were made. I heard like maybe some are better than others.
Yeah, I went to Wickapec, which was probably the best one, because it was literally just a house that was across the street. So yeah.
Yeah.
It was really nice.
In our cabin, where we were like made, I think the best cabins were the up in the hill cabins, like near the lake.
Those were probably where the teachers were.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. All right. Jacob, you want to record and hold the camera?
Sure.
Right. Just hold it sideways. And, yeah. Hold it like, no. There we go.
That's come with dry leaves.
Yep. So we're gonna go and hike that giant just mountain over there. And I'll get back to you guys when we're done with that. All right, bye.